Welcome back, John Cleese Car Audio. We are back in this motorhome, and the reason I say back is because this car's been in for an array of upgrades which we're documented on individual videos because it's too much to do in one video. So this video is going to be showing this brand new 73 plate Bailey's motorhome. It's a reverse camera option we've added. Because obviously it's a big vehicle, it can be hard to manoeuvre, so we've put a rear view mirror monitor up here which displays the camera looking directly back. So this acts as a rear view mirror, gives a great view looking back, and what this can also support is a camera looking down. Now we have actually fitted a twin camera on the back of this, but what we didn't want to do is have both cameras on this monitor when we've got this lovely Alpine 9-inch screen we've fitted, which we documented in another video. This screen displays the camera looking directly down, so the customer can see perspective view of how far he can go back, and above he can see all the way around him to see what's around at the back as well. A great view, and also manoeuvrability is so much easier if you haven't got someone helping you behind. Let's go to the back of the car, or motorhome I should say, and you can see what those cameras look like. Now we've situated them where the camera would be as factory, which is right at the top there. You've got the two cameras on the left, one looking down and one looking back. The camera on the right, you can ignore that one for now because there's going to be another video on this episode showing that one, but that camera here is actually an external rear dash cam which records as well. The customer wanted a dash cam front and rear recording, so we'll go through that shortly, but for now this video is just about the reverse camera and the rear view mirror monitor, and that's about as much as I can say on it. There isn't really much more you can describe on that apart from we can do this setup on not just motorhomes, cars, vans, commercial pickups, the lot. You can contact us if you want to know more on info@johncleese.com. You go to our website www.johncleese.com, or if you just want to send an informal message, you can message us on WhatsApp. That number's on our website. But for now, it's Connor from John Cleese Car Audio signing off from YouTube. See you later.